Road trip tips on how to drive 3,000 miles and feel good at the end. My son and daughter-in-law's big move to Alaska. Mom along for the ride and to help drive. Mitch converted the 4Runner to a camper. Important, play along the way, hot springs. And when you're done, take a walk in the woods. Eat healthy, delicious pre-prepared curry. Tempting fate with a bear. Got to get that heart rate up. Get out of the car and take it all in. Play in the sunshine. 3 happy campers enjoying one of many falls.
Exhale, trot. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg squeeze up. Exhale, bend it. Inhale, scoot it up dog. Exhale. Or not plank, sorry. Oh, that's so luscious. Exhale, swirl, come back around, and plank it. And down, chopped. Up. Exhale. Inhale, up.
So fun to have your daughter-in-law play with you. Go explore what looks interesting and then just goof off. Stretch into a star pose. Keep stretching out those quads and those hip flexors with the help of a buddy. The Alcan Highway. We're so excited. Beautiful. After hours of driving, there's nothing like taking a nice shavasana by a glacier-fed lake. Or striking a tree pose just because you're happy. Lift, stretch, celebrate. Just looking for the perfect spot to get upside down. Role reversal. Who used to carry who on their shoulders? More weightlifting. Why not race down the snowfield? Take the stairs when you can. Enjoy the bonding moments. And be happy right where you are. Run for the first time in 2 years.
Hinton Bike Park. Ooh, pretty cool. Like that little... Cammie's crushing it.
Enjoy the wilds. Climb a chossicle wall, just for fun. Hike to a waterfall. Lift some weights. And let your eyes take it all in. And then get out and stretch it all out. Turn yourself inside out. And of course, always jump for joy, because you are in a very cool place.
What the heck? Maybe he'll come see us. He really likes that corner. Here, let's see if I'll get some close to, or don't roll your window up a little bit. Oh, I can hit him. Here, roll your window up. Hey there. Oh my gosh. That is great.
We made it, and still smiling. The happy couple at their new home sweet home.